Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTubers. My name is Shelly Henderson. I lost custody of my kids about 16 years ago, and so I am making this video to get in touch with them some kind of way while we're in this vital time and the quarantine and with the COVID going on, and I've really been worried about them and thinking about them. I'm just trying to get, hopefully we can get this out and I can get in touch with them some kind of way. They can get in touch with me because we need to communicate with each other some kind of way right now. We're really missing them in the family. We need them to come back and join the family, and so we can be a part of their family also. And they have a 76-year-old grandmother that's still alive, and an auntie, my only sister, and we just really want to have some type of contact with them. Something. Don't forget to like my video and please subscribe to my channel. This is my very first video, so I know it's not the greatest, but right now my only concern is trying to get in contact with my kids. They're young gentlemen now. They're in their 20s. I don't know if their names were changed for sure or not. I did give them birth names, but I don't know if their names were changed. So I'm just not going to say their names because I'm sure if they see me, they're going to know who I am. So, yes, please share this video and ask your friends to share it for me. Thank you. Have a blessed day.